I think you're from
So,
Indonesia.
yeah, you're right. You're from India?
Yeah, have you ever been to India?
Not yet.
Hey, are you weak in English? Are you not confident enough to attend the interviews or talk to people with full confidence? Don't worry, because from today onwards, you are not gonna be same. Because I have bought you something very special which will improve your English like crazy. Because here on this website, you can literally have conversation with people in the video form across the globe, where you can improve your confidence for your interviews, and you can also improve your English to talk with anybody with full confidence. You can simply use this website on your phone. You don't need to use any laptop, any PC. You can get the access on your phone as well. So if you want the access of this website, watch this video till the end. I'll tell you how you can get the access of this website, where you will improve your English tremendously. I have seen tremendous results in my speaking, in my English. You are saying in front of you, how am I speaking with you? So this is the result which I have got from this website. I have built my confidence, where I had so many conversation with people on video calls. So you can also have video calls with people across the globe here. First, watch this small conversation which I had with an Indonesian girl. You will get an idea how you can talk to people on this website and improve your confidence and your English.
Hi,
Hello.
hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also pretty good. I think you're from
So,
Indonesia.
yeah, you're right. You're from India?
Yeah, have you ever been to India?
Not yet. I wish I could visit India someday.
Not I could visit, you must visit. Come to my home. I'll show you my India.
Which part of India are you?
I live in Maharashtra. It's a state in India.
Oh, what is the famous place there?
Famous place is Mumbai. Do you know Bollywood?
But oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
know.
is. It is located in Maharashtra.
Oh, so Mumbai is not a city?
Yeah, it's a city, but it is located in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. Wow. I ever planned to visit Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Yeah, Ladakh. It's India, right?
Yeah, it's in
Yeah,
India.
it's a beautiful. Um, they have a beautiful landscape.
Yeah, of
Uh,
course.
yeah, I plan to visit there maybe someday in the near future.
Yeah, actually, these are indeed beautiful locations to visit. You must go there.
Yes, yeah, I wish.
And I have heard a lot about Indonesian places where we can visit. I mean, the Bali, I think.
Yeah, actually, a lot of beautiful places in Indonesia because it is very big. But
Mm-hmm.
maybe people know Bali because
Mm-hmm.
a lot of tourists and foreigner in Bali.
Yeah,
But actually, Bali is already been too crowded
yeah,
with
it is.
tourists. Like yeah, a lot of tourists from
Mm-hmm.
all country. They are staying in Bali, like they are living permanently in Bali.
Okay.
So maybe if you want something different, you can visit the other island like
Mm-hmm.
in Labuan Bajo
Okay.
and Lombok. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
actually, yeah, a lot of beautiful. Maybe you should visit Indonesia.
Yeah, definitely. I will visit if I have a fortunate time in future, then definitely I'll come and I'll visit, and I'll also meet you. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
would
yeah. You
give
should.
me a chance, then we'll roam together in Indonesia,
Yeah, you can visit Jakarta because I'm in
Jakarta.
Jakarta, and then,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we can traveling to other city.
Yeah.
Yeah, because yeah,
Mm-hmm.
a
So
lot of good.
uh, I want to know your name. What's your name?
I'm Mai. I'm Maya. Maya.
Ma- Might.
Maya.
Maya. Maya.
Maya. Yeah, or maybe you can call me Mai.
My. Okay. It's a
Yes.
cool name.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I hope you have enjoyed this small conversation, guys. This is how you can talk to people on this website, and you can improve your confidence, you can improve your vocabulary, your pronunciation, everything you can improve. Just be consistent on this website. You can literally prepare yourself for the interviews that you want to attend in the future, and you will definitely get the job, your future job, whatever the job you want. Probably you are being frustrated from so many days that you're not able to prepare for the interviews. Now this is a golden chance which you can use to improve your English, and you can confidently talk in front of the interviewers. So this is a great chance, this is a great opportunity where you can improve your English like crazy, crazy, crazy. So use this website and improve your English. Now I'll tell you how you can get the access of this website. Hey guys, simply open the Google Chrome, search here Episoden, Episoden English. Now you can see here the first website. Just click on here. Now here you can see at the top of the corner you will get here an option of login. Click on here. Now you can see login with Google. Click on login with Google. Select your Gmail account. Now you can see here you have to fill the details where you have to put your name like this and your nickname and your date of birth. Then the country, then select male or female, then your mobile number, enter your mobile number, and then just select. You will get the options native, fluent, or intermediate. You will be popped up here beginners not allowed, but don't care about that. Just select intermediate, fluent, or native, whatever. I would suggest you to select intermediate, then click on complete. That's it. Now you can use this website to improve your English, and you can simply have conversations with people. When you click on this join now button, you will start having conversations with people, where first you will be suggested a topic for a few minutes. Then on that topic you people have to talk with one-on-one conversation. So hope this information will be helpful to you, and it will help you a lot to improve your English. Just be consistent and improve your English. And don't ever worry about this website because it is very secure. I have used it for a quite long time, and this website has guidelines which we cannot breach. If you breach, you will be forbidden on this website. So this is a pretty secure website, you can use it without any kind of doubt. So use it and improve your English. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this video will be helpful to you to improve your confidence, to improve your English, and become a great speaker in English. So here, now I would like to wrap up, and I will meet you again in another exciting video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye guys.